In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add text to your videos inside Premiere Pro. Stick around. Tyler here from Video Editing with Tyler White, and if you want to learn how to edit video like a pro, start out by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. Here inside Premiere, I already have my clip down on the timeline, and it's now time to add some text. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go over here to the text tool, or simply press T on the keyboard, and I'm going to click anywhere within the frame, and I'm going to type out what I want my text to say. Then what I want to do is go ahead and select all of my text, and then what that should do is select the text layer that was just added to video layer number 2, and then go up here and click on Effect Controls. Then I want to go ahead and drop down this text layer here. And again, if your text is not fully highlighted, any changes that you make won't actually occur. So make sure the text is highlighted. And this is a place where we can go ahead and make some small changes to our text. So I'm going to go ahead and select a different font. And I can also change up the size of my text if I want to as well. But this is pretty limited on the different things that you can do. So what I like to do is go up here to Captions and Graphics. Then go over here under Essential Graphics and go down to Edit. Double click on your text. That will go ahead and highlight the text for you, and then you can go in here and really make some cool changes. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and center up my text with these two buttons here, and I'm going to make my text a little bit bigger. I want this to feed from the center, so I'm going to go ahead and select the Center Align button and then recenter this up as well. Then if I want to, I can go ahead and space out the letters just a little bit as well by playing around with this here. And down here under Appearance is where you can really stylize your text. So if you want to change the color of your text, you can just click on this fill option here and just select whatever color that you want. If you want to add a stroke to your text, what you can do is just check this box here, click on any random color that you want, and then you just increase it right over here, and that will add a stroke to your text. If you want to add a background, you can just check this box here, go ahead and click the box there and select whatever color you want your background to be. I can bring the opacity up to 100%, or I can make it transparent, whatever you like. And then I can increase the size of that background just by dragging up this little dial here. I can also add a drop shadow to my text by simply just playing around with the opacity here, as well as the distance and the size, just to dial in what I want my text to look like. And you can play around with all these different settings here to really stylize your text. Continue to perfect your skills by checking out this video. Edit like a pro by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.